Hi guys, this is my experiment. So guys, we need to put black paper in the water. Pretend the black paper in the water turned. This is black paper, guys. Pretend that this is germ. When you put your hands without soap, the germs will stick in your hand. I sometimes mixing. When you put some soap,
Slowly.
look at that. All the germs are going away. So what you need to do is use soap every time you wash your hands. So the germs will go away. You can try this one in your home. See, the germs will not stick to my hand. This is my experiment today, guys. Hope you like it. Bye-bye.